Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and thank you for buying this DIY kit. This is a 23-inch MDF board in which we are going to find the center, draw circles, create grids and then create a beautiful dot mandala. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. I'll keep some golden yellow dots now. I'll keep some tiny dots in yellow now. I'll keep some dots in light pink. I'll keep some side swipes in light pink now. I'll keep some dots in pink. I'll keep some tiny dots in pink. I'll keep some dots in white now. I'll keep some golden yellow dots. I'll work the dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in light pink. I'll work the dots in light pink. I'll keep some brush strokes in pink now. I'll put some Fevicol now to fix mirrors later. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some tiny dots in white. Using this teardrop shaped mirror, I'm going to draw an outline and each grid in this circle. Few people do ask me, like, what is the logic behind drawing the outline and then dotting? See, I don't know if there is any specific logic. However, if I draw the outline and finish working the dots or brush strokes or whatever that I wanted to do, I'll do it. And then if I fix the mirror, I feel personally comfortable. So that when I keep a dotting tool here, it doesn't interrupt with the mirror at all. So I prefer to draw the outline, do work the dots or brush strokes, then fix the mirrors. I'll keep some dots in white. I'll work the dots in white now. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll work the dots in golden yellow now. I'll put some Fevicol now. I'll keep some dots in light pink. I'll work the dots with light pink. I'll keep some brush strokes in pink now. I'll keep some brush strokes in light pink. I'll put some Fevicol now. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll keep some plumpy dots in white. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some more plumpy dots in white. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll put Fevicol now. I'll keep some golden yellow dots now. I'll keep some tiny dots in white now. I'll keep some dots in white. I'll work the dots in white. I'll put some Fevicol now. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll keep some dots in golden yellow. I'll work the dots in golden yellow now. I'll work the dots in light pink. I'll keep some dots in pink. I'll keep some brush strokes in light pink. I'll keep some brush strokes in yellow now. I'll keep some brush strokes in white. I'll put Fevicol now. I'll keep some plumpy dots in light pink. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some more plumpy dots in light pink. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm sure this dot mandala looks so grand and vibrant. Thank you for watching this video.